Hello students, welcome back to Easy Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss easy and interesting topic, that is Roman numerals.
Then we are continuing with Roman numeral. What is meaning of numerals? See, numeral is a group of digits used to represent a number. It has only the symbolic significance. What is meaning of numerals? A numeral is a group of digits used to represent a number. It has only the symbolic significance. Okay? Then see, in Hindu-Arabic numerals, we are using 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, these 10 symbols, okay, to write a numbers in Hindu-Arabic numerals. This system is also called a decimal system or base 10 system. About this system already we have discussed in one video. And see why this system is also called a Hindu-Arabic numerals, because the Arabs were trading with us. They learned this decimal system and passed it to the rest of the world. Due to this reason, this system is called a Hindu-Arabic numerals or Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. Then see, in Hindu-Arabic numeral and in Roman numeral, which difference is there? In Hindu-Arabic numeral, 1 we are writing like this, and in Roman numeral, symbol used like I. In Hindu-Arabic, 5, in Roman numeral it is V, 10 means X, 50 means L, 100 means C, 500 means D, and 1000 means M. Means total 7 symbols used in Roman numerals to write a number. Okay. See, these 7 symbols, how to remember? IVX LCDM. How to remember these 7 symbols easily? IVX LCDM. What? How? IVX LCDM. IVX LCDM. Okay. Means sequentially also remembered and easily remembered which symbol is used in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Okay. Don't forget IVX LCDM. IVX LCDM. But why we have to study about these Roman numerals? See, in this, watch, Roman numerals used from 1, 2, 3 to 12. See, and World War I, World War II, like this historical wars or any events, to mention these events used these Roman numerals. Like this, you have to try to find other 2 examples where Roman numerals are used and send in comment section. Okay. Then see, next point. In Hindu-Arabic system, we are writing 1 to 10 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And same numbers we are writing in Roman numerals. How? I 2 times I 3 times, V means 4, V means 5, VI means 6, VII means 7, VII 3 times means 8, IX 9 and 10 means X. And another important, you might be surprised. What? You know that in Roman system had no symbol for 0. For any symbol is not there to write 0, and that could be one reason that this system is not accepted universally. Okay. Then see, first rule to write Roman numerals, means how to write Roman numerals, we have to follow some rule. First rule is addition rule. What is meaning of this rule? If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Means what? See, example, I will explain, then you will understand it better. See, first example. What is the first example? See, here written VII. It means what? V means IVX LCDM. Don't forget. V means 5. I means 1. again one time I return means again add 1. Then 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. So 7 VII means 7. Okay. Then second example, see. X return 2 times means symbol is repeated. 2 times symbol repeated. Then it's a value we have to add. How many times? How many times this symbol occurs? 2 times means 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, or any another method is there, that is you can multiply also, means value of x is 10 and how many times it return? 2 times. So multiply by 2, you are getting the same answer, that is 20. Okay. See the third example. What is the third example? See, DCC. And what is the value of D? 500 plus C means 100. Again one time C return means again one time we have to add 100, is equal to 5 plus 1 means 7 and 0 means it is 700. DCC means 700. Then see second rule. What is the second rule? It is a repetition rule. What is meaning of repetition? See, any symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. This rule is very important. Any symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. See, first example. Suppose we want to write 4 in Roman numerals, then how to write according to rule? Suppose you return I 4 times, then it is wrong, because here clearly given that any symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. Okay, like this, don't write for 40 x 4 times. This is also wrong. Okay. Then see, very important sentences are here. See sentence, symbols V, L and D are never repeated. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. V used for 5, L used for 50 and D used for which? Send in comment section. D used for, so remember IVX LCDM, again and again I am telling you, D means 500. Okay, these symbols not repeated, never repeated, means suppose 5 2 times means V, it is wrong, means 2 times 5 return means 10, but for 10 Roman numeral is there X, so don't write V 2 times. Okay, and then see the next term. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated. Means example, see first example. Suppose we want to write 3 in Roman numeral, then how to write? I 3 times, means symbol I is repeated. Okay, but how many times? Only 3 times, not more than 3 times. Then second one, suppose want to write 20, then we can write XX 2 times. Okay, then third example, see 300, how to write 300? Symbol used for 100 is C, then C write down 3 times, that is 300. Okay, then see next rule 3. What is the rule 3? If symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. Rule number 3 and rule 4 are exact opposite to one another, so be careful. Here see, if a symbol of value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, means any symbol written which value is greater, and any symbol written right side and its value is smaller, then value get added, means V denoted for 5 and I denoted for 1, so its value will be 6. Means smaller value symbol is written to the right of the greater value, then they both were added. See next example, second example. See, like this, suppose written C, C and V, then C is used for 100, yes correct, 100 plus 100, and for V is for 5, is equal to 205. Okay, then exact opposite is the next rule. What is the next rule? Subtraction rule. In this rule, exact opposite is there. What is exact opposite? If a symbol of smaller value is placed to the left of a greater symbol, means in before V after I written, and now here before V before I written, its meaning value of 1 is subtracted from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, means to write 4 it is denoted in Roman, that is IV. I's value is smaller, V's value is greater. So remember this rule, symbol of smaller value is placed to the left of greater symbol, then the value of the smaller symbol will be subtracted. And in rule 3, after written, right hand side written, then have to add. Okay, then see the symbols V, L and D are never subtracted. Remember these important sentences. The symbol V, L and D are never subtracted. Okay, and then I can be subtracted from V and X only, and that is one time also. I can be subtracted from V and X once only. What is its meaning? Suppose V written, then what is its meaning? I means 1, V's value is greater, I's value is smaller, then we have to subtract smaller value from greater value, means 5 minus 1, again 2 time written I, so again minus 1, then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, but it is wrong. Why it is wrong? How to write 3? I have to write 3 times, it means 3. Okay, so I can be subtracted from V and X once only, one time only, not 2 times. Okay, cleared up? Like this. See the next sentence, very important sentences, so marked a double star. X can be subtracted from L and C once only. X can be subtracted from L and C once only, that is C. XC written, it means C's value, we know what is the value of C, it is 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. XC is equal to 90. Okay, then see, C can be subtracted from D and M once only. C can be subtracted from D and M once only. Clear now? Now see how to write numbers 1 to 100 in Roman numerals. See here, starting from 1 to here 100, all numbers I have written here. You can take it screenshot and check it how to write Roman numerals 1 to 100. But one important rule is remain, how to write larger numbers. Numbers 1 to 100 we have to write. Then how to write 5000, 4000, so that we should know this rule 5. What is the rule 5? To write larger numbers, bar is used on the numeral as it signifies multiplication by 1000. Then how to write bar? Okay, see here, suppose 5000 we have to write in Roman numeral. Then how to write? Split it 5 into 1000, because multiply how to by 1000. Okay, then see, 5 is denoted as V, and write down bar on its head. Then it V bar V means it is 5000. Okay, like this is second example. Suppose have to write 12,000. Then how to write 12,000? 12 we know how to write 12. X means 10, I means it is 12. and write down bar on the head of XII, then its value will be 12,000. How its value is 12,000? XII means 12 into 1000. Okay, then its value is 12,000. That bar means multiply by which number written, that number multiply by 1000. Okay, then see the few questions which is given in textbook. See first question, write in Roman numerals given in Hindu-Arabic number, that is 685, and how to write in Roman numeral. Then how to write? Before writing in Roman numeral, we have to split or have to write in expanded form this 685. How to split then? Expanded form, already one video is there, expanded form explained. You can watch, this link is given in description box. Then see how to write in expanded form. 600 plus 80 plus 5. But in Roman numerals not have any symbol for 600. Then how to write 600? Again 600 have to split according to symbol. 500 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5 is equal to 685, but 500 denoted for D, 100 C, 80 means 50L X X X, and 5 means V. DCL XXX V means 685. Okay, and then see the second example, 235. Then again same method, split or write this expanded form. 200 plus 30 plus 5, but according to Roman numerals we have to expand it again, means 100 plus 100 plus 30 plus 5. Then for 100 which letter we are using? Tell me. Yes, C, C. And for 30 means 3 times 10 means X, 3 times, and V means 5. Then for 235, CCXXXV is used in Roman numeral. Now exact opposite question is there. Question number 2, that is express each of the following in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now here in Roman numeral given, we have to write it in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Then we know X means 10, again X means 10, again X means 10, V means 5, I means 1, again 1 I means 1 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, 35, 36, 37 means XXXVII means 37. But students, don't forget to write it clearly, means like this. Write it in expanded form. And another very important instruction one is here, that is don't write plus or minus sign in between the symbols which you are using to denote Roman numerals. Okay, and then see the second example. Second example is, see the second example, CDXIV. Then CD means, now here you are getting little bit confusion. C written before D. D means 500 and C written before D means we have to subtract 100 from 500, plus X means 10 plus IV means 4 is equal to 400 plus 10 plus 4 means it is 414. CDXIV means 414. Okay.
Thanks students for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon, and do recommend this channel to your friends and relatives.